Hey guys, Josh with Skid Pro here. Today I'm excited to give you an overview of our grapple lineup. Let's dig into the specific design, build, and features, what we like to refer to as the Skid Pro difference. All material and workmanship is at an industrial grade for our extreme duty grapples. We don't cut corners here, utilizing 80,000 PSI strength plate, hardened pins, and industrial cylinders with greasable pivot points. The goal has always been that we want this to be the last grapple you ever buy and one you can pass down to your kids. All bucket mainframes utilize a rugged 4x4 inch thick-walled square tubing top and bottom of the back frame. We run a minimum of 3/8 inch back wrapper and bucket bottom on our scrap grapple. Individual tines on our rock and skeleton are 1/2 inch, as are the side plates that link the frame together. At the end of the day, we know the punishing environment these grapples face, so we built them all to last, even when being used on today's 100+ horsepower skid loaders. The back of all the grapples are reinforced and heavily gusseted. Of specific note are the vertical stiffeners at the back of the bucket frame, which is a major stress point. The scrap grapple has a 3/4 by 6 steel cutting edge. The skeleton has a 4-inch high tensile pipe, while the rock has a stout 1-inch thick serrated front edge. We cut out the bucket sides on all designs to allow easier loading of long and uneven debris. Now let's dig into the good stuff, the grapple tops. We'll start with the cylinder towers, which aren't just for a cool look. The fully boxed 360-degree double-walled towers offer maximum strength and gripping force, while also delivering impeccable hose protection. And thanks to their unique taller geometry, they boost downward clamping force by up to 85% over traditional designs. Next, we move on to the cylinder guards. Not only do these orange guards stylishly stick out from the crowd, they protect the extra large cylinders from getting bumped, broken, or damaged during work. Uptime protection is key when working a grapple in tough environments. Speaking of cylinders, we only use industrial cylinders, not cheap ag cylinders. These beefy hydraulics have a 2-inch bore, 1.25-inch rod with 10-inch stroke. Combined with the taller towers, they give that extra punch needed to grip tricky loads. For easy maintenance and longevity, all pivot points are greasable. The dual independent grapples are a cut above the rest. We start with high tensile 1/2-inch steel side plates with a high strength 3-inch diameter thick walled pipe at the cylinder connection point. We've gone above the industry standard to add a 1/4-inch solid steel plating on the top and front of the grapple claws. This gives added strength, cylinder protection, and overall better load security. Like we mentioned before, the grapple claws move independently and they are pressure sensing. That means they automatically adjust to your uneven load without the operator having to do anything. When a grapple comes down, it grips to its relief point and then locks, while the other grapple continues to go down until it hits the bucket or an obstacle and also locks. This assures a secure and balanced grip on every load. We've also got you covered with the industry's best and toughest powder coat finish. It'll protect your grapple from rust, corrosion, and everyday wear and tear, keeping it looking fresh and clean even after the most demanding jobs. Our fully protected hose routing from the back center of the grapple to the protected cylinders ensures that your hoses are safe from damage even in the most difficult circumstances. One of my favorite add-ons that many folks in the industry miss is our spring steel hose retainer. This inexpensive option is huge in managing your hoses. Last but never least, we're proud to offer the industry's original 2-year warranty on all our grapples. We stand behind the quality and durability of our products, and this warranty is our commitment to you, our valued customer. In the end, it all comes together to deliver the toughest, most functional family of grapples on the market. To learn more about this or any of our attachments, visit us online or give one of our product gurus a call today. And remember, at Skid Pro, it's better products, better service, and happier customers.